He was an American, and he came to China with his family, and he came to the Hai family to devote himself to this school. Now, many schools in Beijing are opening their own open days, and today's Old Han will teach you how to visit an open day of a school correctly. Today, let's take Haijia School as an example, and now many parents have begun to sign in at the front. Oh hello, this is our introduction. Oh, this is the whole open house process of today, right? Yes, that's the school rule. By keeping quiet during the last semester, do not use the bathroom of the subject, and do not take photos and videos without permission. We have to be careful about this. This is a student of the mountain villa of today's Haijia School. Themes are available in 4 languages: English, French, Korean, Chinese, which is also the mode of teaching in 4 languages of their school. You want to buy a new one? Thank you, very good, just like you to hold this. Then is this a parent?
This is the child's name. Oh, my most important study.
At school, he taught him how to place a table and chairs, and he set them up with me. You know he didn't say that he sat at 2 o'clock. This hair is so cute, you actually have sharp hair. Then his translator is a student. It is the Hai family's own students, and there are many parents here today. The soul of a school is very, very crucial, and his infectious energy is very, very important. That is, when you are looking at a school. Have people been touched? This first instinct is very important. Now they are talking to this Mr. Mai, this foreigner. He has been in the Hai family for a year or 5, he is an American, and he brought his whole family to China and came to the Hai family. Devoted to this school kinship, which is the most common thing in the world, we see almost. Take it away with the sound and hurry up. Do negative. Take a photo of the parents who are vacuuming. This is something that happens in every environment, but I personally don't think it's careless.
Righteousness, why?
Because these are definitely singled out. And then when it comes to the magnetic field immunity department, I have to see how they perform. What's the status like? What we just saw, in fact, we can't say that it is useless. The first point is that we have to look at the student schedule and the setting of the course content, which is very critical, because this has an extremely related connection with the school's teaching resources. The key is that he can see a ratio of Chinese and English, as well as the teaching resources of his school, whether the types of courses offered are rich. The second question is that it really depends on the state of the students, but it's not like this just now. This kind should be singled out, and we'll see if we can meet some random students in a while, and we'll do some interviews. The point is that in terms of admission results on the admission wall, every school has a good university, but the key is what the proportion is. The fourth is whether the teacher is stable. Just like we just saw the principal of Amai and the like, they have been in the Hai family for 7 or 8 years, very stable. And now we are starting to see if we can meet a student. Just say that I just had a few problems. One is the class schedule, and the other is the stability of the teacher. This matter can only be asked by the current students, and we will see if we can find it. Sort of, right? Is it good that it's easy to be interviewed? Well, the first question for your convenience is how long have you been in the Hai family? Well, it's the 9th year and the 9th year. Yes, you think that's what you mean. Hai Jiang's teacher is flowing.
Is it sexual? I feel the C. Mr. Jiang is very good.
Is it good to have a lot of liquidity?
Well, it's not that big.
You've got your timetable in your hand now, and you let me take a look. Well, you. Everyone, the class schedule is iPad.
There's an epic version of this timetable.
It's all in English.
Lessons? Well, some of them are Chinese that you think.
How is this Chinese-English ratio in your current secondary school stage? Chinese classes will definitely be slightly less than English. If it's 10 classes a day, is it 3-7 or 4-6 or 5-5?
The tone of the third sister is also applied to the third.
A ratio of 7 is good for a 2-year-old. It's Dr. Mai. Hello, Dr. Mai. You are now a principal of an American school. What kind of Chinese students do you think American universities like? That's when I found out about that university.
Or the professor they need that student to be able to communicate in that classroom, especially about the aspect where there is no shyness, for example. Shyness, nothing else. Girls, yes, for example, in that public school. Most people don't have the opportunity. You mean?
Say, in fact, public schools, there's not a lot of debate in the classroom, because there are so many students in that class. Is that right? There are so many opportunities to communicate. Yes. How long have you been in China? I'll reward you, oh my gosh, and I'll help you in.
By then it might have been 13 years. 13 years, yes.